Hey everyone, welcome back to the Screen Verdict. I'm Girinandini Sharma and today we're venturing into a wild mix of cinematic worlds, from eerie haunted halls and goofy gags to the high-stakes gritty underworld of old-school Bombay. We've got a packed lineup on the table, ready to see which stories actually pack a punch and which ones are just empty noise. So, to start off, Priyadarshan and Akshay Kumar are back with the Bhoot Bangla. But does it really live up to their Bhool Bhulaiya legacy? While this reunion delivers a bag full of rib-tickling laughs, thanks to the legendary comic timing of Paresh Rawal and Rajpal Yadav, the horror in this horror comedy is ghost thin. The chemistry between Arjun, that's played by Akshay, and his quirky crew is spot on, featuring some classic slapstick that will have you doubling over. However, once the demon Vadusur appears, the narrative takes a downward spiral into mumbo-jumbo and lackluster VFX. Even a significant cameo by Tabu can't save the flat scares. If you're hunting for a nostalgic laugh fest, it's worth a watch, but don't expect any goosebumps in this haunted palace. And for this, it deserves 2 stars. Now, if you're looking for a quick laugh, Toaster serves up a thin slice of fun that soon loses its crunch. Rajkumar Rao is great as a cheapskate who counts every penny, and newcomer Naman Arora steals the show with perfect timing. However, the joke soon turns sour. What starts as a light comedy quickly sinks into a messy plot and tired humor that just isn't funny. While the cast tries their best, even stars like Sane Malhotra and Abhishek Banerjee can't save a script that runs out of steam halfway through. It begins with a spark but ends up feeling like a long, dull stretch. In the end, this movie is a bit like burnt breakfast, hard to swallow. This one isn't quite buttered well enough to melt, so we'll give it 2.5 stars. Now, if you love stories about ambitious underdogs gaming the system, Prime Video's Matka King might grab your attention, but it doesn't quite hit the jackpot. Set in 1975 Bombay, the show follows Brij Bhatti, played by brilliant Vijay Varma, as he evolves from a struggling gambler into a powerful kingpin. While the retro style is cool and the dialogue is sharp, the series tries too hard to make its hero look righteous. Spanning 8 long episodes, the slow pacing feels stretched and repetitive. It's a tale of money and greed, but without deep characters or real tension, this gamble doesn't fully pay off. Watch it for the great acting, but prepare for a long haul. And this one gets 2.5 stars. Now forget the golden sands and the ancient curses of the past. Lee Cronin's The Mummy is a brutal, blood-soaked nightmare that trades adventure for stomach-churning shock. The story follows a journalist's family in Cairo who are reunited with their missing daughter after 8 years, only to realize that what returned isn't human. While the lead actors give heartfelt and impressive performances, the film feels unnecessarily long at 133 minutes. It often relies on cheap jump scares and thin plot mechanics that fail to connect. The relentless goop-laden gore is more nauseating than truly scary, making the experience feel like an exhausting endurance test. It is a divisive, messy reimagining that only die-hard fans of extreme carnage will appreciate. So we'll give it 2.5 stars. So now that's a wrap on this episode of The Screen Verdict. We'll be back next week to test the next big release. Until then, stay tuned. See you at the movies.